Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri. And today's words of encouragement: achievement does not just happen. You must have a plan of action. Yes, folks, I see it so many times. I call them dreamers, the people who are floating through life, wanting these things, always talking about getting these things, but never having a plan of action to achieve any of these things. Yes, folks, you have to have a written plan of action. You got to be a goal setter. You got to have a step-by-step process, a blueprint for your life that will keep you on track, so you know if you're winning or you're losing. Because the achievement, it just doesn't just happen. You must have a plan of action, a plan to achieve. Otherwise, you're what I call a dreamer. You go through life with all those dreams, and 10 years from now, you have the same dreams because you had no plan of action. Have yourself a great day now, and what do you say we move forward?